Door Installation Loves Park is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our expert team specializes in entry door services in Loves Park, ensuring that each installation meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Whether you need a new door replacement, Loves Park, or a simple door replacement, Loves Park, we have the skills and experience to get the job done right. Custom doors in Loves Park are a popular choice for those seeking a unique and personalized touch. Our custom door services in Loves Park allow you to choose from a variety of materials, styles, and finishes to match your home's aesthetic. From door frame installation in Loves Park to door hardware in Loves Park, we provide comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs. Patio doors in Loves Park are an excellent way to connect your indoor and outdoor spaces. Our patio door services in Loves Park include door fitting in Loves Park and door maintenance in Loves Park to keep your doors looking and functioning like new. Door upgrades in Loves Park can enhance your home's energy efficiency and security. Sliding door installation. Loves Park is perfect for those looking to maximize space and light in their homes. Our sliding door services in Loves Park include everything from initial consultation to final installation, ensuring a seamless process. French doors in Loves Park offer a classic and elegant option for any home, providing both beauty and functionality. Door security in Loves Park is a top priority for homeowners. Our door alignment services in Loves Park ensure that your doors close properly, providing maximum security. Door sealing in Loves Park and door insulation in Loves Park help to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient year-round. Door customization in Loves Park allows you to create a door that reflects your personal style. Our door finishing services in Loves Park include door painting in Loves Park to give your doors a fresh and updated look. Door installation Loves Park ensures that your doors operate smoothly and efficiently. Door jambs in Loves Park are an integral part of the door frame, providing support and stability. Our door jamb services in Loves Park ensure a perfect fit and finish for your doors. Door thresholds in Loves Park help to seal your doors against drafts and moisture, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Door hinges in Loves Park are an essential component of any door installation Loves Park. Our team provides expert installation and maintenance of door hinges in Loves Park to ensure long-lasting performance. Door locks in Loves Park are crucial for home security, and we offer a wide range of options to suit your needs. Door installation Loves Park is available in a variety of styles and finishes to complement your home's decor. Our door hardware services in Loves Park include everything from handles and knobs to locks and hinges, ensuring a cohesive look and feel. Trust our team for all your door installation and maintenance needs in Loves Park IL.